Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. A lot of y'all had requested for a full moon meditation. So here is the guided full moon meditation, which is completely safe to do for beginners. So I will be posting this today or tomorrow. The date you will be watching will be on 9 or 10 and 11th is a full moon day. So here are some basic things which you need to know. Whenever you watch this video, take it as a sign and do this meditation. Although it is a full moon meditation, you can do this on any day. So there is no specific rule that if you have missed the full moon, if you feel bad that you did not do it on the full moon day, it's completely fine. Just do it when the video pops on your feed. And this is a completely guided meditation. You do not need anything specific. All you need is yourself, a mind to do it, and pure concentration on the process. Now, it is nice to have if you have any gold, silver, ornaments and jewelry like coins, and if you have crystals like you have quartz or you have the spatikam or you have rudraksh, if you have these jewelry or the raw pieces with you, it's best to have it in front of you during the meditation. You can charge it under the moonlight. Okay, so do this in the evening from 6 to 10, and if possible do it under direct moonlight. But since all of us are living in a closed space, it's better to do it in the balcony also. So let's start the meditation process. Okay, now just sit in a very normal place, somewhere where people won't call you. Sit with your legs crossed. You can sit in a chair, you can sit on a floor. If you're sitting on the floor, just make sure to put a mat or a cushion below yourself. Okay? Take your hands and put it on the sides of your lap. Have a gentle smile on your face, back straight, shoulders rolled out, and now sit in this position for just 1 minute. Sit. When you are comfortable, just start taking 5 long, deep breaths. Inhale slowly and then exhale. Nothing needs to be forced. Just do as much as you can. Nobody is judging you. Just do how much ever you can. Inhale slowly and exhale. Now deeply inhale a little bit longer than before. And exhale through your mouth. Once again, last time. Deeply inhale and exhale slowly. Feeling good already? You'll feel much better after the meditation is complete. Now, wherever you are sitting, I want you to imagine just on top of your head, there is this big, beautiful, crystal white moon which is shining upon you. Just imagine your eyes are gazing up. You are seeing this full moon. You're able to see the layers of the moon, the bits, the crescents. You're seeing everything. It's shining. Its whitish yellow light is shining. It's as if the moon is smiling on you. Just watch the moon. Just gaze upon the moon. Circle in shape. It's so beautiful. Just keep looking on the moon. Now, after you have completely enjoyed the look of the moon, you see this beautiful white light which is coming out of the moon in all directions. Throughout the moon, you're able to see this beautiful, radiant white light which is, coming out of the moon. It's so calm. It's cleansing your body, your mind, your soul. This is what you have been craving for. this is what you wanted. Now, the light is slowly coming in a beautiful direction towards you. It's like this torch light which is shining upon you. Sit in silence. Sit with your palms on your laps. And now, just like you're sitting under a waterfall, you're sitting under moon's light and you're soaking up all the energy that moon has to give you. Sit there in silence. It is okay if there are some thoughts coming in your mind. Just observe them. You are just observing your thoughts. You are not your thoughts. You are not those negative feelings. You are now a pure, beautiful soul. Just see the white light that is shining upon you through the moon. You're sitting under it. Your whole body is now getting relaxed. Let's now relax every part of your body. All the 10 fingers on your feet, your thumb followed by your 4 little fingers, everything is getting relaxed. Relax, relax. Now slowly move up to your ankle. You've been walking all day, every day. They are so rested now. Your ankles just needed this rest. Now slowly go to your knees, both your knees. You've been bending them, you've been walking with them, you've been lifting with them. They are so thankful that you're giving this moonlight to them. Both your knees are now perfectly fine. And now go to your thighs. Stores all the fat. It's so happy that you're giving it the attention. Now, go to your pelvic region. Your reproductive organs are there. Your urinary system is there. All of it is doing its job beautifully. So you thank them once. Say thank you. Thank you. Now go up. You have your digestive system. You have your stomach. Your stomach is your second brain. Every part of your stomach is now beautifully working. The moonlight is cleansing it off of all the problems that it had. The vagus nerve is so under calm and kindness. Just go up. You have your food pipe, you have your wind pipe, you have your respiratory system. Just notice how air is going inside as you inhale, and as it goes out, your lungs are getting relaxed. Your lungs are thanking you. Your lungs are smiling at you. Now, just come out, your chest. All the sadness which was stored in your chest is now just vanishing into thin air. You can just see it fly away. It's flying away. Just say goodbye to everything. It's flying away. It's gone. Your chest feels so light now. Moon has healed you. Come to your shoulders. Feel your shoulders. Your shoulders are now very relaxed. It's not up, it's down. So relaxed. All the burdens you've been carrying off is being lifted off from your shoulders by Chandra Bhagwan. Now go to your throat. You've been talking, acting. You've been doing so much work with your throat. It needs the rest. You're giving it now. Just sense this beautiful white light which is coming to your throat. Your voice is getting beautiful. The way you talk is getting beautiful. Everything is now getting cleansed. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Now come to your beautiful face. You have your eyes, you have your nose, you have your lips, you have your ears. Your beautiful face radiating just like the moon. Your face is beautiful. It has beauty, it has talent, it has intellect, it has everything you asked for. Your face is now glowing with radiance. It's glowing with the white light which is coming from the moon. Now sense your entire body for the next 5 seconds. You're present in your body. Keep watching your breath. Sitting under the moonlight, you're soaking every bit of the light which is coming from moon. You're shining, you're glowing. All the thoughts which you thought were against you are vanishing. Those thoughts were never yours from the beginning. Only universe powers are within you. Deeply inhale and exhale through the mouth. Once more. Your nervous system is now so calm. It's thanking you so much. Now take both your hands, open it to the moon. With the moonlight which is coming into your hands, just hug yourself now. You deserve this love. You deserve this. You're a beautiful soul. You deserve every bit of blessings in this life. And now, when you are ready, there's no hurry. Whenever you're ready, just slowly wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and slowly open your eyes. I hope this was a beautiful session for you. It really was for me as well. And if you're still watching, all I want you to do is subscribe so that we all can grow together. And I will see you all in the next video very soon. Until then, take care.